Are you tired of spending too much time and money at the barber shop? Want a salon-quality trim right from the comfort of your home? Meet the Roziapro Professional Hair Clipper and Trimmer Set, the ultimate grooming tool for men. This cordless barber kit is a game-changer for anyone looking for a precise, hassle-free trim. Stay tuned as I break down everything you need to know about this must-have grooming device. Hey guys, welcome back to Raminmark. If you're new here, I'm Ruhul Amin, a professional digital marketer, Photoshop expert, and founder of Raminhub and Raminmark. If you love honest reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving deep into this Roziapro Professional Hair Clipper and Trimmer Set, a sleek, cordless, and high-powered grooming kit that every man needs in their routine. Let's check out what makes this trimmer stand out. Let's start with unboxing. Inside the package we have a cordless hair clipper and a T-blade hair trimmer. 8 guard attachments for the clipper and 4 guards for the trimmer. Cutting cape, protective cap, scissors, comb, cleaning brush, and USB cables. A storage bag for easy carrying. Everything you need for a professional haircut at home is right here. Right off the bat, the blue finish on this trimmer looks premium. It feels lightweight yet durable, making it easy to handle. The T-blade edger is designed for precise cuts, making it perfect for shaping beards, sideburns, and fades. Plus, it's suitable for all hair types. One of my favorite features is the LCD display, which shows the remaining battery life and speed settings. The clipper runs for 180 minutes on a full charge, and the trimmer lasts 90 minutes. That's more than enough for multiple sessions. Charging takes just 3 hours for the clipper and 1.5 hours for the trimmer. Now let's talk about power. This trimmer has a high-performance motor with adjustable speed settings, 50-100 to 60-500 RPM. Whether you have thick, coarse hair or fine hair, this trimmer delivers a smooth and effortless trimming experience. And the best part? It operates super quietly, no annoying buzzing sounds. This Roziapro grooming kit is perfect for men who want to maintain their hair and beard at home, professional barbers looking for a reliable clipper, anyone who loves precision and convenience. Great gift option for birthdays, Christmas, or Father's Day. So, there you have it. The Roziapro Professional Hair Clipper and Trimmer Set is a must-have for men who value quality, precision, and convenience. If you're looking for an affordable, high-performance grooming tool, this is definitely worth checking out. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Raminmark for more awesome product reviews. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your go-to grooming tool? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay sharp and stay stylish.